Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Here we have another important topic of your book, that is the differences between atom and ions. And that topic is present on your book on page number 25. Now we differentiate the atom and ion from one another. So it's the neutral atom. The atom is a neutral in nature. As you know very well, we discussed earlier that the atom is neutral because the number of electrons, they are always equal to the number of protons. So for that reason, atom is a neutral particle. So in the first point, you will see that atom is a neutral particle. It has same number of proton and electron. If you remember, atom has same number of electron and proton. Now in the case of ion, it has a net charge, either negative or positive on it. The number of proton is different from the number of electron. So you will notice that in the case of cation, the number of electrons and the protons, they are different from one another. Similarly, in the previous lecture, we discussed that in the case of anion, the number of electrons and the number of protons, they are not equal. They are different from one another. And in the case of atoms, the number of electrons and the number of protons, they are equal. So it's an example of an atom, and this is an example of ion, in which you will notice the disturbance between the number of electrons and protons. So it's neutral, same number of electron and proton. It carry charge, and the number of proton and the number of electrons, they are different from one another. Second difference is that it is the smallest particle of an element. That is, you know very well that atom is the smallest particle of an element. Now in the case of ion, it is the smallest unit of ionic compound. If you remember, in the previous lecture we discussed that ionic compounds, they are composed of ions, and if you remember, we discussed earlier that the ionic compounds, they are formed by the combination of positive ions and negative ions. Now what they write, it is the smallest unit of an ionic compound. So it's the smallest particle of an element, but it is the smallest unit of ionic compound. So it's the big difference between these two species. Now the third point, it can or cannot exist independently. For example, sodium, potassium, iron. It can mean that they are talking about the noble gases. All the noble gases, they have complete outermost shell. For that reason, they can exist independent in nature. However, you know very well that atom is the smallest particle of the element which cannot exist independent in nature. So atom can or cannot exist independent in nature. As you know very well that ions, they carry charge. For that reason, you will write it that the ions cannot exist independently. That is, they can't exist independent in nature. They carry charge. For that reason, they automatically they attract the negative charges toward themselves. For that reason, they can't exist independent in nature. That's all for today. This is the differences between atom and ion. Thank you.